Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to sell digital products on your GoDaddy website. First, log into your account and go to your products. Once in, select on the website that you want to navigate. Now, on the left side panel, go to Store and click on the drop down. Then, go to your product section. Here, you can go and click on this Add button to add a new one. Now, for the product type, go and select on Digital. Here, add in a product name for it. Then, you can also set a price. For the product category, you can go and add one. Now, you can add an image for it if you'd like to. So just go ahead and upload the image of your product. Then, click on the Insert button. After that, make sure that your product is visible on your store. Now, after that, scroll down. Here, you can add a description for your products. Now, go to this downloadable content. Here you need to add your digital product file. Then, upload it. And go ahead and select your file and open it. Now, type in a name for that product and hit on the Save button. Once done, you can now go ahead and save it. And there you have it. You now have a digital product. Now, if you go on your website on this left panel, then go ahead and edit it. If you go to your shop or your product section, you will now see your digital product. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.